Hello and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we're taking a look at this advent calendar. Let's get started. All right there, welcome back Playmo pals. We are checking out the Playmobil set number 4155 Advent Calendar, Christmas in the Forest. This one came out in 2008, and not long after I moved into Florida, my niece had found this at a Goodwill. Would never have expected an entire unopened set of Playmobil to ever be found there, but that's where she got it. As you can see, we have the advent calendar before us with a picture of Santa Claus surrounded by a bunch of forest animals and a few other things here too that we are going to be expecting to get out of these little packages here, including some food items. And if you look in the background there, you will see over to the right, you'll see a little sled. Yeah, I guess that's what Santa is hauling around the forest in the snow to get the food around so you can feed the animals. Also included will be some landscape pieces. We do see a tree stump and a small pine tree. This isn't the kind of advent calendar I'd be really excited about, just because I do tend to think the animals take up a lot of space. I'm not a big fan of the Playmobil animals. There's a few I like to collect. Here's the right side of the box. Nothing really to see there. The left side of the box pretty much has the same level of excitement. The top of the box shows all of our contents displayed and being played with by some children. The bottom of our box has all the choking hazard warnings in various languages, and the barcode, and the country of manufacture. The back of the box shows all of our contents photographed individually. Enough of the box details, guys. Let's tear this thing open and see what's inside. Okay, so just getting it out of the box, sliding it out of that sleeve, this is what the actual advent calendar looks like. Now, if you don't know what an advent calendar is, that's perfectly fine. I never knew what one was until I moved to Germany back in the 80s. And they were very popular then, and we learned about them in school. But they're basically a calendar just to kind of keep the kids at bay because they're so excited about the presents they're going to be getting under the tree on Christmas Day. So basically, the advent calendar has 24 days, and every day, once a day, you punch one of the corresponding day open in the box of your advent calendar, and you get a little prize, and it's enough to keep you going till the 24th day of December, because of course the 25th day is Christmas. But you get these little prizes. Now, the ones I had when I was a kid, I didn't have Playmobil advent calendars. I don't think we even looked that up. I don't think there was anything that told us that they were available. We had advent calendars that had chocolate candies. But yeah, so you would just punch the or tear open the box or the door for the corresponding day, and you'd get a prize. And today we're just going to go ahead and go with all 24 of them at one time, starting, of course, with number 1. And one looks like it's been slightly punched in for us. And this is a big door, so we're going to get a big prize inside. And as you can see, it's just like a little cup inside of here. Not in the literal like drinking cup sense, but there's a little compartment in here and that holds your item. So looks like we got the landscape, which is a great start. So we have the little grassy area here and 2 sections of a tree that appears to be dead. All right, let's go on up to day 2. Okay, so we're keeping it green for now. We got the grassy area and the tree, and we got some foliage, which I believe, if I remember right, according to the box, it was just parts to a really tall plant. Possibly a tree in its infancy. Oh, and some plants. And then, I'm guessing it fits in one of those holes. But that might change as we continue to unravel other things. So let's move on to day 3. Now we have some birds. I don't think I have a whole lot of birds in my regular Playmobil collection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 birds of various colors, which is nice. And then we have this thing here. This is is it suet? So under 3 we have day 4. That door was a little tough to open because there was so much stuff in it. We've got some hay, and we've got this wildlife feeder here, and I guess you put the grass and I guess the hay in here as well. Okay, day 5. Oh, day 6. Oh dear. Lucky number 7, baby. Here's the second fawn. I think they've got this color coded, so I'm guessing that the darker brown is the male. Number 8. We got some more plants and some carrots, it looks like, and some cabbage or lettuce. I think this is lettuce. We're gonna go with lettuce, not cabbage. Here's the carrots, and here's an individual carrot.
Number 9, number 9, number 9, number 9, number 9.
Well, that's exciting. We got ourselves a new pine tree. Next is number 10. Okay, we got whatever this is. And we've seen this shape before, but we haven't seen this color. Oh, and I've got something else in the bag here. Look at this. We've got a little raccoon. All right. And deuces, number 11. Well, every baby raccoon needs its mama.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ugh, what a bore.
Number 13. You can never have enough carrots. Or whatever these things. They kind of look like pears, but I don't know what this is.
Number 14. Well, a mama boar isn't a mama boar without its baby boar.
What comes after 14 again? Wasn't it 19? No, it's 15. This one here, I thought at first was a skunk, but it's not. This guy is a badger.
This door is old enough to drive. This door is number 16.
Check it out, we got a baby badger.
Next up, number 17.
Check it out, we got a couple of mice and some what looks like to be some more carrots. This one's kind of a maroon. It looks red on the camera, but it's actually not, it's darker. And then another, whatever this is. Maybe it's an onion? Maybe in this one might be a beet. Whatever it is. Playmobil's about imagination. So I say it's spaghetti and meatballs.
18. We're getting close to the end.
For this one, we got a flower and we got the tree stump. Oh, sorry about that, guys. This is my support to keep my camera up. And there's a little hole right here just to fit that little flower.
19 and aimless.
It's another tree. And here's the first one. And because this tree came right after the stump, we're going to basically assume that this tree is growing from the stump.
Number 20.
You know what's funny is that the box just gave away the answer as to what was inside the box. The picture on the box, anyway. But we have now not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 fox cubs.
That must mean 21 is going to be the fox, the adult fox.
And here she is. She looks great. I wish they painted her all the way. You know, give her the little bit of white on the end of the tail. And colored in the eyes. I really wish Playmobil would color in all the animal eyes.
I almost couldn't find number 22 because it's partially open like all the rest of these pretty much. But there she is, right there at the top corner.
And here is Santa's sled. Not his sleigh, but his sled. This is what he uses to scoot around the forest, carrying all that food to feed the animals. And it also came with the pitchfork, which is the tool that I was trying to name when we got to the hay. Here's the hay, or the grass, and there's that. And you can just pick it up and put it where you need to.
23!
This store had 3 decent sized items. We got a basket, and then we've got more food. This kind of resembles potatoes. I wouldn't doubt it if they were, and they were just kept inside the basket like so. There we go. Oh, I like how it doesn't fit all the way, so it looks like it's loaded with potatoes. And then it comes with a bale of hay. Or wheat. It's wheat. Yep, that's wheat. And that's really cool because I can use this in other sets.
And guys, 24 is the last door. And check it out. It's Santa Claus.
Okay, so here's Santa. Love that beard. Love that beard style. As you can see, right above his hands is where they should have cuffs. Sleeve cuffs. Let's see. This isn't the easiest thing to do. I mean, it is when I've got them in my hand, but I don't have them in my hand, and I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna move this over to the side. I don't have the other one. You know why? Because the other one is inside Santa. I'm not sure how. And I'm definitely not sure where. I didn't check his head. It would be kind of funny if they kept it in there, but they, nope. I'm gonna... This has never happened before. Well, it's got to be in his pants. How it got it... Oh, that didn't sound good. I bet you that's how it went in there. Yay, I got it. Cool. And there's our Santa Claus. I do like this version probably the best out of all the other Santa Clauses I have. Wow, this is a lot to set up just right here. I just remembered that this thing comes with a background. We should probably set that up. I have decided that we are not going to open up the display, mainly due to the fact that it is made of cardboard. We won't be using it, but I know it's just gonna get beat up, especially in this room.
But you can't do this to me. I started this company. You know how much I sacrificed?
Oh well, you win some, you lose some.
Just imagine.
It's easy if you try. And so ends our unboxing and review of the Playmobil Advent Calendar from 2008. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We sure did. This is pretty fun, actually. I kind of hated seeing all those get open, but I really like my little forest setup here. I've got all my other trees out, my pine trees anyway. If you liked today's episode, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. You can also follow us on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. We do have a couple more episodes to go, guys. We appreciate your feedback in the meantime. Definitely leave a comment below for suggestions or comments, just to let us know how we're doing. Or if you just want to talk about Playmobil. Until next time, guys, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Notice the molded shoes, unlike another Santa that we recently did a review on.